How to change aspect ratio and project settings in CapCut PC. So if you want to change your aspect ratio and project settings in your CapCut PC, then first you just need to open up your CapCut application on your PC. Once you open, you can go with an existing project or you can create a new project. So I'll be going with my existing project. Wait for it to load, and here you will have your project, right? So what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the ratio option, the aspect ratio option, which is here on the bottom right side of your video. So click on the ratio. Under ratio, you can choose custom 16 is to 9 or 4 is to 3 or all of these options that you have. So for example, if you choose 9 is to 16, then you will have this kind of interface. So in this way, you can change your aspect ratio. Or you can also go with modify option, which is here on the bottom right. And under that here, it will take you to the project settings. Under project settings, you can name the project and you can save or you can adjust the save destination, import destination, and then you can adjust your aspect ratio from here and the resolution, frame rate, color space, and everything. And then go with the performance option. Under performance, if you want to turn on proxy, then you can turn it on and then choose the resolution and then go with save. And that's it. That's how you can change your aspect ratio and project settings in your CapCut PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.